So applying the chain rule, the first derivative or y prime is equal to 2 times x squared minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 times
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. So today guys, let's continue our topic about the differential calculus. So last time we talked about the derivative of a constant, power, sum, product, also the quotient. So today, let's talk about the chain rule. So the formula is f the function h of x is equal to g of f of x, then the first derivative or h prime of x is equal to g prime of f of x times the derivative of f of x, which is f prime of x. Note that h of x is a composite functions. So let's try some problem and apply this formula. So I have a two problem here. So let's solve this. Or you can solve this also. You can post the video if you have an idea how to solve this problem. So let's solve this first. So what the function y equal to x squared minus 1 raised to 2. So applying the chain rule, the first derivative or y prime is equal to 2 times x squared minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 times the derivative of fx or the derivative of x squared minus 1. So what is the derivative of x squared minus 1? So this can be done using the derivative of a sum. So first, get the derivative of x squared with respect to x. So what is the derivative of x squared? Yes, using a power formula, this is equal to 2x. And minus the derivative of 1. So what is the derivative of 1? The derivative of constant is 0. So y prime is equal to 2 times 2x. This will be 4x times x squared minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1, which is 1. So it means the first derivative of the function y equal to x squared minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 4x times x squared minus 1. So this is the first derivative. Okay, let's proceed to the second example. So the function y equal to x squared minus x plus 1. So let's apply again the chain rule. So y prime is equal to, anyway, the square root of x squared minus x plus 1 is the same in x squared minus 1 plus x squared minus x plus 1 raised to 1 half. So this is equal to 1 half times x squared minus x plus 1 raised to 1 half minus 1 using a power formula times, let's multiply the derivative of x squared minus x plus 1. So what is the derivative of x squared minus x plus 1? Y prime equal to 1 half times x squared minus x plus 1 raised to 1 half minus 1 times the derivative of x squared minus x plus 1. So what is the derivative of x squared? 2x minus the derivative of x, which is 1, plus the derivative of 1. The derivative of 1 is 0. Hence, this is equal to 1 half times 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1 over 2. So this is equal to 2x minus 1 over 2 times x squared minus x plus 1 raised to 1/2 minus 1, which is negative 1/2. Hence, the final answer is equal to, we can still simplify this. We can put the x squared minus x plus 1 into the denominator. So, the negative 1/2 will be cancelled, or the negative will be cancelled. So, this is equal to y prime, or y prime is equal to 2x minus 1 over 2 square root of x squared minus x plus 1. Hence, this is the first derivative of the function y equal to x squared minus x plus 1. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.